In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable and hide a WooCommerce shop in a WordPress theme. If you're looking to temporarily take your online store offline, perhaps for maintenance or because you're redesigning your website, this simple process will help you achieve that quickly and effectively. Let's dive right in and walk through these steps together. First things first, we need to head over to the WooCommerce settings. To do this, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, on the left-hand side, you will see several menu options. Look for WooCommerce, and once you find it, proceed by clicking on Settings. This area is the control center for your store's functionality, and it allows you to adjust a wide range of settings. It's here that we're going to make the necessary changes to hide the shop page from your site. After clicking into the settings, you'll see a range of tabs at the top of the page. These tabs are organized to help you manage different elements of your WooCommerce store. For our purpose today, go ahead and click on the Products tab. This section contains all the settings related to your product listings and displays, and it also houses the settings for your shop page. Inside the Products tab, there's a section dedicated to the shop page. You should see a drop-down menu that labels your current shop page. Here, you want to look for the small X icon next to the page name. By clicking on this X, you are unassigning the page, which effectively disables it from being displayed as your shop. This step is essentially the key to hiding your WooCommerce shop on your website. Once you've unassigned the shop page, it's crucial to ensure these changes take effect. You need to scroll down to find the Save Changes button. It's essential not to overlook this step as it confirms and activates any modifications you've made. So, go ahead and click on Save Changes. This simple click ensures that your shop is now hidden from view when visitors browse your site. And there we have it. With these straightforward steps, you've successfully disabled and hidden your WooCommerce shop within your WordPress theme. It's a helpful option when you want to take your store offline without making any drastic changes to your website. Remember, whenever you are ready to bring it back, you can simply revisit these settings and reassign the page in a similar manner. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your WooCommerce store and WordPress. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.